In previous video, we've shown how gas in a UV lamp reacts to microwave differently than when it turns to plasma. But there are some questions left which we'll try to answer now. This time we will use a discharge gas lamp without phosphor coating. It's a UVC lamp normally used as germicide. This is how it looks when powered on. Just like before, we'll check if the UVC lamp can generate microwave when powered on. The receiver shows that it doesn't. Now the transceiver is set up to get maximum scale transmission, and the UVC lamp is right in front of the receiver. When the lamp is on, the signal decreases slightly. Let's repeat the experiment with the lamp located right in front of the transmitter. We get similar result. This experiment shows that UV lamp without phosphor coating is more transparent to microwave. When powered up, UVC lamp increases its opacity and microwave frequency, which is contrary to previous experiment using UVA lamp. These results show that fluorescence of phosphor coating reduces its opacity, which is more than enough to compensate the effect of plasma produced in the UV lamps. The results are consistent with previously obtained blocking mechanism of electromagnetic waves.